Hello ninjas, this is Ninja Fish Plays Awesome Games. Today I'm playing Skyrim, the Elder Scrolls 5. It's an old game since 2010 or 11. Now it's 2014. But they have installed some mods. I see when I have gotten all the way down. So now I'm here.
Face your death with some courage, thief.
You've got to tell them we worked with you. This is a mistake.
Step towards the block when we call your name. One at a time.
Empire lost their damn lists.
Ulfric Stormcloak, Jarl of Windhelm.
It has been an honor, Jarl Ulfric.
Ralof of Riverwood. Lokir of Rorikstead.
Come on,
I'm not
go.
a rebel. You can't do this.
But you're a thief, so that's why I'm gonna die.
Anyone else feel like running?
No.
Wait. You there. Step forward.
Now I'm gonna show you one of them mods.
Who are you?
Me, I'm a half elf. So, be a man, of course. A bit dark, a bit strong. And I see where I have chosen what to be like. Well, let's name him. Because it doesn't fit within a Fish Plays Awesome Games.
Captain, what should we do? He's not on the list.
Forget the list. He goes to the block.
See if one of these chests has some armor for you. Got to be a sword or two in one of these chests.
Thank you.
You better get that armor on. Give that sword a few swings too. Let's keep moving. That thing is still out there.
And it's more sound effects too.
Stormcloak. Maybe we can reason with him.
Hello.
Do your work.
Nothing. No more.
That'll just get close, mate. Let me see if I can get the door open. Let's go.
Going down the hallway. Oh,
Just give me a
I
minute.
can hear someone. Oh, hello.
Won't take us alive.
I won't. Oh. Die. They kill you. What? Can't I get up in the level? Or what? Going down the hallway. Oh, okay, I can. You're dead, son. Okay. I love longbows. They're so nice. Added as favorite. Look at that.
Good job.
Let's
see if we can find a way out. Let's see where this goes.
Come on. Shh, 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 shh. I said, shh. Just spread it right down there. Yeah, that's why I love bows. Dead.
What next? Giant snakes.
Going down the hallway. Shh, 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 shh.
Where'd this
Shh.
come from?
Sure.
Not the snake.
No, I'm not. Go down the hallway. And here we go. And we're out. All the way.
Wait.
Going down the hallway.
Looks like he's gone.
Okay. Going down the hallway. Okay, so that's it for Tiger for today. I hope you like this video, because I like to play it. You haven't watched all the mods.